Welcome to the Super Sound Spelling Game with your host, me, Miss Frost. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for being here. So, we're going to play the Super Sound Spelling Game, and I'm going to show you how to play the game, just in case you have not been able to play it before. So in this game, I will give you a word to spell. Then I will give you hints. I will show you a finger for each sound, or 2 fingers for a sound if it's made of 2 letters. So it's 1 sound. This is 1 sound also. This would be 1 sound with 2 letters. Okay? So today I'm going to try to trick you also by giving you a word that has 2 letters that make 1 sound. Okay, so this is the way you play. I give you the sound, I give you the word, I give you the sounds in the word. You write down the letters that make the sounds. So for example, if the word was log, the frog sat on a log. L is the first sound in log. You would write down an L, because L says L. The second sound in log is ah. So you would write an O, because O makes the ah sound. G. The third sound in log is G. So you would write a G. L-A-G. 3 letters, 3 sounds, word log. And if you spell it correctly, you'll give yourself a smiley face. And if you don't, it's okay, because we'll do another word. And I will show you the answer every time. Okay? All right. Here, you ready? All right, here we go. The first word that we're going to work on is peg. Peg. First sound in peg. Ooh, and this is someone's name. This is a name in the story, Big Mess and Chet. Okay? Because these are words that will be in the stories, Big Mess and Chet. So peg is one of the characters. And the first sound in peg is p, p. So you write down the letter that makes the p sound. Second sound, e. Second sound in peg is e. You write down the letter that makes the e sound. E, g. The last sound in peg is the g sound. So you write down the letter that makes the g sound. P, e, g. Okay. Here we go. Here's the answer. And I told you I'm trying to trick you today. The first 3 words are all going to have the eh sound. Eh. So peg, p, p, p. Somebody's name. So it's going to start with an uppercase P. P. First sound, p. Second sound, eh. Eh. There's that E. P, eh. G. G. Last sound, G. P, eh. G. That's how you spell peg. 3 letters, 3 sounds. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you got it wrong, it's okay. We're going to do 2 more words with the eh sound. So here we go on to the next eh word. I'm going to try to trick you with this one. Here we go. The word is yells. Yells. He yells across the room. Yells. First sound, y. Y. Write down the letter that makes the y sound. Y. Second sound, e. E. Write the letter that makes the e sound. Y. E. Third sound is made of 2 letters. L. L. We're doing the L sound. It's with 2 letters. Give it a guess. What 2 letters together make the L sound? Y. E. L. Last sound. S. S. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds, but it's made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters for the word yells. Y, E, L, S. Let's see the answer. Yells. Y, y. First sound is y. That's a Y. Y, E, E. There's that letter E. Y, E, L, L. 2 L's make the L sound. Y, E, L, S. There's that S. Yells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 4 sounds. If you got it right, make sure you give yourself a big smiley face. That one was a little harder. Told you I was going to try to trick you. If you didn't get it right, it's okay. We're doing another one. Another word with the E sound. Here we go. The next word is den. Den. The raccoons made their den in my ceiling. Crazy raccoons. Den. First sound, D. D. Write the letter that makes the D sound. Second sound, E. E. D. E. Last sound, N. N. Write down the letter that makes that N sound. D. E. N. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Let's see the answer. Den. First sound, D. D. There's that D. Now, if you meant to write a D and you got it backwards and you put the bump on the other side, that's okay. Just fix it. You knew what you went to write, okay? It's all right. You'll get those straightened out. Don't worry. It just takes a little time. D. Second sound, E. E. There's that E. Last sound, N. N. There's that letter N. D. E. N. Den. 3 letters, 3 sounds. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't get it right, it's okay. We're going to do 3 more words. These words are all going to have the I sound. We're doing the I sound. 3 words with I. All right, here we go. First word with the I sound. Kits. Kits. Did you know that baby raccoons are called kits? Kits. Here we go. First sound. K. K. Write down one of those letters. There's a couple I can think of that say K. Which one do you think it is? K. Write it down. K. Second sound. I. I. K. I. Next sound. T. T. The third sound in the word is T. Write down that letter. K. It. Last sound. S, s. Write down the letter that makes the S sound. K, it, s, kits. Let's see the answer. Here we go. First sound. K, k. This one's the letter K. You might have guessed C. That would be really close because it does say K. In this word, it's the K. Second sound, it. There's the I. K, it. T. There's that T. K, it. S, s. Last sound is the S. Kits. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, 4 sounds. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't get it right, it's okay. We've got 2 more words to try. Here we go. Next one. Tip. Tip. Write. You write with the tip of your pencil. Tip. Okay? And I am going to give you some tips on how to spell this word by showing you how many sounds are in it. Tip. Tip. Write the letter that makes the T sound. Second sound. I. I. T. I. Third sound. P. P. Write the letter that makes the P sound. T. I. P. Tip. 3 letters. 3 sounds. Tip. Here we go. First sound. T, t. As the T. T, it. Second sound. It. Third sound. P, p. There's that P. T, it. P. 3 letters. 3 sounds. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't get it right, it's okay. We've got 1 more word for you to try. All right, here we go. This word is fix. I can fix my hair or my chair broke. I need to fix it. Fix. Here we go. First sound. Write the letter that makes the sound. It. It. Second sound is it. It. Last sound. X. X. You should know that one from watching the Alpha Blocks videos. X. It. X. Fix. 3 letters. 3 sounds. Let's check our answer. The first sound in fix is f, f. There's that letter F. Second sound, it. 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 Last sound, x. X. There's that letter X. Fix. You got it right. Give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't get it right, it's okay because you tried your best and that's really important. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you had a great time playing the Super Sounds spelling game. I hope that you can join us live for a Super Sounds spelling game we play every Thursday at 11 a.m. Look for your invite. Thank you so much for playing the Super Sound Spelling Game. Have a great day.